What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be unboxing the DJI Mini 3 Pro two-way charging hub. So I never got a charging hub with my drone, which is the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And today we're going to unbox this guy right here. Let's go ahead and take a look around the box one more time here. That's the front. That's the side. It says www.dji.com. Flip it to the back. There's some of that jargon that you would normally see in the back of pretty much any box. On the other side it says DJI. On the bottom of the box it's going to have some barcodes and all this other junk. There's a little tab right up on top. So we're going to go ahead and peel that green piece back and get this guy situated. So we got that little tab off. All we're going to do is flip this up now. Flip those flaps down. There's a little pull box opening right there. Comes right out of the box. There's some instruction manuals, I believe, with some QR codes on them. Just showing you that real quick. Instruction manuals. Nothing else in the box. Put the box off to the side. Let's go ahead and open up this guy here. And this is some pretty popular plastic covering that a lot of companies use nowadays. It's that white kind of matte finish plastic. All right, and there you go. So you get a little moisture wicking package right here. Keep all the moisture out during shipping. There you go. There's 3 little slots for your batteries. On the back, you have a USB-C in and you have a out. So you can use a USB-C to like a brick, or you can use USB the old-fashioned way. Now, it doesn't come with the cable, so you're gonna have to supply your own cable. I mean, if you have the drone comes with a cable, so you can use that cable to use for your hub. But not only that, there's a little surprise. We got 1 and we got 2 batteries. We'll only open up 1 because you get the gist, but let's open the battery too because I got some extra batteries as well. So this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro Intelligent Flight Battery. It says 249 grams, ultra light. Here's the side of the box. Here's the back of the box. The other side of the box with a barcode and all that other shipping nonsense that you would see. Same green pull tab that you would see on the other box. Let's go ahead and pop this lid open. Same thing, flaps it down, pull that up. Here comes the battery. You get a moisture wicking pack here. In the back, you get some instruction manual guides. So you can pull this whole box out just like that. And then you can access your information. And it's all just instructions, really. So we'll put that back. Nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and open up the battery. Same thing, same type of plastic. Call it the popular plastic. Okay, here comes the battery, and there you go. So if you know your drone, if you know the Mavic Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro, this is the battery that comes with the drone. And I just got some extra batteries just because I want to fly more. I want to be able to be on location and not just have to use 1 battery. I need to fly a little bit longer than 32 minutes or whatever it is. There you go. And then that would slide right into the slot here, just like that. So the front of the battery, or I guess the top of the battery, goes in just like that. And then the other 2 batteries would just go in there. They charge in sequence, so whatever battery is the lowest in battery life to the next battery. So there you have it. That is the charging hub by DJI. And I got the one from DJI because I wanted to make sure that all compatible. You can go with the third-party ones, but you know, with third-party items, especially batteries, you want to make sure that they're not going to fault out on you just because they're a little bit cheaper and you kind of get what you pay for. So you're getting this from the company itself, so they're making sure that it's all up to spec, and that's the reason why I got this, just because the drone is pretty, I guess, in terms of price, the drone is pretty inexpensive. So getting inexpensive batteries that are like third party, to me, that seems a little wishy-washy there. I want to make sure, once again, that we got all name brand stuff for the drone. But that's going to end today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to answer those questions for you as best as I possibly can. But that's going to end today's video. As per always, it's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.